So, Wahyu, why do you think people are so worried about the decline in manufacturing?
I believe one major reason in employment manufacturing industry have always provided jobs, especially for middle skilled worker. If manufacturing decline, the risk of whispered unemployment increase significantly.
That's a fair point, but isn't it true that other activities are just as important as producing goods? Tech design, art, music, or entertainment, for example. These sectors can also create substantial job opportunity.
That's true, but not every country is ready to make that transition. Besides, not everyone has the skill required for creative industry. It seems easier for advanced countries to shift to this sector compared to developing countries like ours.
You're absolutely right. Let's take the United States as an example. They're not as reliant on heavy industry for employment anymore. Do you know why?
Why is that?
Because their society has already met its needs for physical consumer goods. Once those basic needs are fulfilled, people start focusing on other aspects like designing these goods and making them more appealing. Eventually, industries like entertainment, music, and art take center stage.
So are you saying that US isn't worried about losing manufacturing jobs because they've moved on to a more advanced phase?
Exactly. Look at cities like Paris, London, or New York. Their economy no longer depend on manufacturing but thrive on design, entertainment, and creative industries. And surprisingly, these have proven to be solid economic foundation.
That's fascinating. But what about a country like Indonesia? We still heavily rely on manufacturing to sustain our economy.
True, Indonesia is at a different stage of development. Manufacturing is indeed crucial for us right now, but that doesn't mean we can't start preparing for the future.
What kind of preparation are you talking about?
For instance, while maintaining a strong manufacturing base, we can begin developing the creative economy as a complementary sector. Tourism, art, and entertainment could become significant contributors in the future.
That makes sense, but how can we ensure that this transition doesn't negatively affect workers in the manufacturing sector?
One way is by integrating technology into manufacturing, like in Industry 4.0, where digitalization enhance production processes. Additionally, both the government and private sector must invest in training programs to help workers adapt to new industry.
So the key takeaway is that Indonesia needs to balance strengthening manufacturing while laying the groundwork for other sector, right?
Exactly. We should view this as an opportunity to build a more diverse and sustainable economy for the long term.